How to see the Instagram call history. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. Make sure that you have installed the latest version of Instagram by going on the Google Play Store. On the top search bar you can simply search for Instagram right here, and after you search for Instagram, if there is any update option available, then do update it. If not, then you can simply open your Instagram, and after opening your Instagram, to see the call history you need to just slide on the right side and tap on the person's icon, and by seeing all the chats right here, you will be able to see all the call history as well. So if you cannot see the call history anymore, just change your Instagram account to professional account, and simply do that by scrolling down and making your account professional. Change it to business account by tapping on business tools and control, and simply change your account to professional if it does not show call history on your account. After doing this, you will simply be seeing. Also in the private account, you can see it by just tapping on the person's account and all the chats right here. If you have called him, then you can see it on the chat right there. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below.